Hello my dear students, welcome back to the computer classes. Okay, in our last class we studied about the title bar, file, home and view tab. Okay, what we studied? We studied about the home tab and the view tab. Now in this class we will do the practical part. Okay, so students, come to your page number 32 of your textbook. Prepare the following word file and give the effects as instructed. Okay, so the word file which is being written over there, I have typed everything. Okay, now one by one I will just read it and give the effects according to it. Give the following effects. Okay, so first line. Okay, font size 36. Okay, where is the font size? First of all, select this one. Okay, what we will do, we will select this one. Select your first file. This is called font size. Okay, font size is 36. So click on 36. Alignment must be center. I have told you earlier, this is known as alignment. So come to center. Font color is red. So this one is the font color. Okay, this must be red. So keep it red. Understood? Okay, come to your second line. Second line, font size 20. Okay, so first select the second line. Font size must be 20. Okay, give 20. Font must be Arial black. Okay, so this one is known as font and this must be Arial black. Understood? Then font color blue, then give the blue color. Give the blue color. Understood? Come to the third one. Third line, font size must be 20. First select this one. Font size must be 20. Okay, then text must be bold. Text, this one is bold. Then font color must be blue. Font color must be blue. Fourth line, font size is 20. First select, size must be 20. Text must be italics. This one is italics. And color must be blue. Give the blue color. Okay, now come to the next line, that is the fifth line. Font size 20. First select it. Size must be 20. Okay, give the underline effect. Give the underline effect. Then color must be blue. Click on the blue. Understood now everyone? Yeah. Move to the sixth line. Font size must be 20. First select. Font size must be 20. Okay, then strike through. I have told you earlier, this one is strike through. Okay, so just click it. Then color must be blue. Color must be blue. Seventh, font size must be 20. Font size must be 20. Okay, done. Then text must be bold, italics, underline and strike through. Okay, and color must be blue. Okay, so that's it. We did the first practical part. Turn your page. Okay, understood? What's written over there? After giving all the above effects, the word file should look like as shown here. Okay, it's same, but that the color is black, we have done the blue color. Save the file with example 1 by selecting the save option from the WordPad menu, or the shortcut key is Ctrl+S. Okay, so this one is file save, or just you can do Ctrl+S. Okay, the dialog box will come. Okay, so give it as example 1. So write example 1. Okay, students, here you have to see the WordPad file is saved with .rtf. It will come here .rtf. Why? Because Save as type is what? Rich text format. Okay, so what's the full form of RTF? That is rich text format. Okay. Okay, extension by the default, the saved file icon will be Word, Microsoft Word icon. Okay, so just save your file. Okay, here example 1 came. Yeah, now moving to the next one, that is prepare the following file in WordPad and give the effects as instructed. Okay, so firstly I have to write everything in normal way, then we will do the editing, that is we'll give the effects. Okay students. Okay students, so I have typed this one. Now we'll give the effects. Okay, come to your page number 34. First line, font must be Arial black. Okay, so first line, font must be Arial black. First, what you will do, you will select it first. Font must be Arial black. Okay, then what is written over there? Font size. Okay, font size is 22. Font size is 22. Then apply any text highlighter color and text equals to bold. This one is text highlighter color. Okay, so choose any one color. I am choosing this one. Okay, and what you have to give? You have to give text as bold. Understood? Yeah. Now second line, font must be Arial. First select the second line, font must be Arial. Then comes to font size equals to 24. Font size must be 24. Then apply any text apply any text color, not the highlighter, it is a text color. Okay, so this one is text color. Text color, text equals to bold and underline. Bold and underline both we have to give. Okay, now comes to the third line. Select the whole third line. Font must be Arial narrow. Font must be Arial narrow. Okay, then font size 24. Font size must be 24. Apply any text color. Apply any text color. Okay, then bold and italics, you have to give bold and italics both. Okay, yeah. Now the fourth line is very important. Listen carefully and watch it. Fourth line, font must be Algerian. Font must be I don't have this one font. Yeah, it's there. Okay, font is there. Font size is 30. Okay, font size is 30. See, it's not written over here, so what you will do, you will just type it over here 30 and just enter it. Okay, yeah. Then comes apply any text color. Apply any text color, give any one text color. Then comes to text must be bold and center. Text must be bold and it must be in the center. Select digit 2 using the mouse and press superscript button. Okay, what's written over there? Select the digit 2. सिर्फ 2 digit हमको select करना है और हमको subscribe button करना है. So just select the button 2 and where is this one? See, superscript is written over there. So superscript, just click it. Again, this one is also 2. Select the 2 and give the button as subscript. superscript, sorry. Then fifth line is this one. Okay, select the fifth line. Font must be Arial black. Font must be Arial black. Okay, then size must be 24. Size must be 24. Apply any text highlighter color. Here's the text highlighter color. Apply. Okay, then comes to text alignment must be right. This one is right. Text alignment must be right, and text must be bold. Okay, and text is bold. Understood? Yeah. Now this one, the sixth line. Select the sixth line. Font must be Arial. Okay, font must be Arial. Done. Okay, then comes to font size 24. Font size is 24. Okay, then apply any text color. Text color is this one. Apply any one text color. Then alignment must be right. Alignment is right. Bold and underline both. Okay, bold and underline both. Okay, now comes to the second last, that is the seventh line. Seventh line, font must be Arial narrow. Font must be Arial narrow. Font size is 24. Font size must be 24. Apply any text color. This one is a text color. Apply any one text color. Text must be bold. Text must be bold. Okay. Alignment, sorry, boldness is not, yeah, bold and italics both are there. Then text alignment must be right. Text alignment is right. Okay. Now the last line. Select the last line. Font must be Algerian. Okay, give this one. Font size is 30. 30 was not there, so I am typing 30 over here. Yeah. Now apply any text color. Give any one text color. Okay. Then text must be bold. Text must be bold. Alignment must be center. Okay. Select digit 2 using the mouse and press subscript. Okay. So just select only digit 2. Only digit 2 and give the subscript. Understood? Understood everyone? Okay. So we did the second practical part also. Okay students, now find and replace, creating list, inserting pictures, and this whole we will do in our next class. Okay students, till then practice these both practical part. Okay, yeah, thank you.